Kata K9, we have a philosophy to create control amidst chaos.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Yes, stay. I walk out first.
Sam and the team at Kata K9 have proven over and over how they can modify the behavior of a dog at the front door, front porch, and going up and down steps
Yes, stay. I walk out first.
to help avoid the mad, chaotic rush and also avoid injury to both you, your kids, family, guests, and themselves.
Yes. Now, we're going to go to the threshold.
Watch how Sam helps this Rottweiler to never door, barge, and charge again. He creates the safety buffer zone first.
Yes. Now, we're going to go to the threshold.
The ambient sit, stay, wait,
Yes.
and a phased and controlled exit.
Yes, stay. I walk out first. Stay. Stay. Good. Now, threshold. Sit.
Then a step-by-step mimic of human egress.
Then top of the steps. Sit. Yes. Stay. Sit. Yes. Step one. Stay. Sit. Yes. Stay. Sit. Yes. Stay. He's still not running off or anything. Loose leash, right? Yeah, good. Leash manners. Good boy. Stay. Okay, well, good.
This has helped and saved many elderly clients. We can help your pooch do the same.